voilà, c'est Garance et Romain.
I was thinking that it's such a big important message and
Next month is turtle because for me it's very important to share.
That's lovely. So I am a captain in Reykjavik, Iceland, and this little puffin here travels with me every day on every voyage. If you have something like a little puffin in your life, what can go wrong? So it's the puffin is going to travel with you and keep you safe on your future voyages. There are people like you out here spreading love and hope and faith.
Unta na sija na marajaw ang lawas na unta na nai puhon na yang kakuha ng lain tao na mahatagan na pud nidya na unta na marajaw sa panglawas atong yang gikawan sa isa ka tawo na gihatagan na pud niya.
Alors, je t'offre une cabosse de cacao, puisque je suis chocolatier, et la cabosse, les fèves, pour nous aussi, c'est vraiment un objet de porte-bonheur. Ça servira aux enfants à l'école quand ils auront leur élocution sur le chocolat. Je suis très content que ceci, comme message d'amour, soit transmis à qui de droit.
So this is the gift from
Belgium.
Thank you so much for the gift.
thank you.
Oh, you prolong my life. You prolong my children's life as well. Oh, I'm going to put in my room. It will be my light.
Oh my God.
To bloom my heart. I love you. I send you this gift as a love to everyone. Big heart, shine, smile to everyone, and hug every need one. Coffee.
Coffee?
As it grows here.
Okay.
In Kilimanjaro region, where I was born and I live with my children.